How to use screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to see your iPhone screen on a bigger display? In today's video, I'll show you how to use screen mirroring to connect your iPhone to a TV or another device. So let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone and the device you want to mirror to, like an Apple TV or Smart TV, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. Tap on the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Next, from the list of available devices, select your TV or device name. Once connected, your iPhone screen will appear on the larger display. If you don't see your device, make sure it supports AirPlay or screen mirroring. Restart your iPhone and the device to refresh the connection. And that's it. Screen mirroring is a simple way to share videos, photos, or even presentation on a larger screen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.